where over 900 families are currently camping at Camp Ndege in Baringo South Sub-County or Baringo County after being displaced by insecurity and flood waters of Lake Baringo. Now, the displaced victims claim they lack basic amenities like food, water, shelter, medical and sanitation services and have to rely on donations to survive.
This is what flood victims have to endure after being displaced by flood waters from Lake Baringo. Many have had to endure harsh reality of sleeping without food, water and proper shelter. One of the victims, Rosaline Nabori, said many displaced families have had to depend on donations and handouts from well-wishers and the conditions at the camp are unbearable.
Sisi tulipata changamoto kwa sababu tuliwacha manyumba yetu ndani ya maji. Tulikuja mbuzi ikakufa barabara. Alafu tukakuja kuishi hapa na shida mingi sana. Kwa sababu hata tunakosa hata maziwa ya chai, tunakosa hata chakula.
Area Chief Leonard B. Kumati revealed that the families are undergoing severe challenges with no toilets and water and urged the county government to come to their aid.
Shukuru tu washirika ambaye wameleta maji, wamesema watatuletea tangi, wataleta choo kidogo kama 3 hivi. Sisi tunaona hiyo tutafuata hivi karibuni. Lakini mimi naona hiyo mandoo ikiingia, mimi naomba county government yetu waangalia watu kwa maji kwa sababu tutapata kitu kama drum 3 kubwa ya maji. Kwa hivyo changamoto ni kubwa sana ndugu yangu.
During the flagging off of relief aid at the Kiwanja Ndege IDP camp in Marigat Ward, Bible Translation and Literacy National Director Peter Munguti said the community had been affected in the recent past by incidents of insecurity and displacement by the rising waters of Lake Baringo and called for more aid to alleviate the situation.
We all know that we are going through a time of a pandemic, and if you look at the people who are gathered in the camp here, many of them, they do not have the economic power to buy hand sanitizers or even to buy masks. First and foremost, they need food, but also they need to be protected against COVID-19.
For Channel 1 News, I'm Ben Troy Njue.